Homework battles over GCSE maths happen in almost every household. And most parents think their child's being difficult or stubborn, when really there's a completely different reason behind the resistance. When your child sits down to do maths homework and immediately starts complaining, procrastinating, asking for help on every single question, it's not defiance or attitude. It's a genuine confusion and anxiety bubbling to the surface because they didn't fully understand the lesson at school in the first place. This is a cry out for help. Maybe the teacher moved too quickly through the explanation, or maybe they were too embarrassed to ask questions in front of 30 other students. Or maybe the teaching method just didn't match how their brain processes information naturally. So now they're sitting at home, staring at questions that feel completely impossible, and the frustration builds up until everyone ends up stressed and dreading tomorrow's homework session. What parents need to understand is that homework battles are just a symptom, not the root problem that needs solving. The real issue are the knowledge gaps and the foundational understanding that never got addressed properly in class. If your child struggles with homework consistently, week after week, they need someone to go back and identify exactly where those gaps are hiding. I had a student named Peter who felt stuck for weeks because topics wouldn't stick no matter how many times he reviewed them. His parents thought he was being lazy with homeworks, but once we rebuilt his foundation using methods that worked for his learning style, instead of the usual flashcards, he achieved a grade 8 and finally experienced steady, reliable progress. Once the foundations are solid and students understand why the math works, instead of just memorizing steps, homework becomes manageable and they can work independently and actually retain what they're learning from. Message me the word unlock to reserve your spot for a free strategy session with me where we'll identify exactly where your knowledge gaps are, create a plan to end the homework battles for good.